Kiatikadara idana se sami kero kuligera libono iga ko trace CHIBESA bude chiga IEBC korora expenditure na bera abega asengo musana ndocha kupuguli clips tubuguli tubairere lakini use kuligerelia abana siasa bachakire ko prefer I think igakia kibaki ntwaro cye kichiko genda chikurwe wichi aseme chango Hassan bachakire ko cash ba coach ne CHIBESA tirebi kabu. What does this speak to our laws?
Vanumete again tutumana takuebolia litangani. What is the core responsibility ya IEBC? Kozekero tokoro rabono obale ubo igaboga endrete kurwa one commission to another. Igakora kananga obale ubo igambuli gocha koera. Asinga njobono it's growing even koba worse than even muna yarenge kale abo. Inche kupikia responsibility ya for example ya nini ya IEBC ne yoko regulate finances muna abarwanira libiro bagotumeka ngwale party yoka yeire te tumeka more than 17 billion president etumeke 4.4 billion ekarongwa wake sababu na Hassan yale waka agaya party total. For example, I'm giving an example ya UDA. The presidential candidate is supposed to make 17 billion. Aya, a president president able to make 4 billion. I can go 4 billion plus 17 billion. That is 21 billion.
Not 4, 6.
4.4.
4.4. It's 21 billion. So ekero konyari kananga a president eko chikutumika 4 billion. Yani there is the clarity teyo iga nga a presidential candidate ne party because a party ingo support the presidential candidate ne presidential candidate yanyana nero 4.4 billion no rocho bututuka no bolega inketa ete koro kibono gochibosio gayo IEBC buna amosi ata bali tangani te kunyara ko regulate bono CHIBESA bune chi sifunale go eta kwa go gari ngaki uchi regulate they don't know ne libwa yetu 500 inkia yetu so omo chando no lega. Another thing, IEBC, if we are talking about IEBC is mandated to regulate party, nomination, party nomination, nomination chichi party. I want to give you an example. Alfred Ketel. Alfred Ketel 2023 nomination 2022 nomination Alfred Ketel won Nejama ya UDA. But after a while, to come around, any near awarded you or you certificate. So, in case that IEBC doesn't have powers. There are people somewhere seated, but what the powers than IEBC will make a decision for IEBC.
But actually, IEBC take on a political party.
That is their mandate. The mandate is to regulate.
Of course, ne mandate ya brakini ebyamo matende biko tabanga into toilet. This is our list because chinguru chyo koleta barwaneli baba.
That's why to what the courts. Kero ebyama via niniri omorwaneli. He goes to court. The tribunal he goes to court. That is a court. So I was giving an example. IEBC is a toothless dog. Teriko nyara gokoga ebintu bikola kandi because chokolike lyo bali mabwe ebintu byabo bakora into nkiyo ba implement 100%.
Okay.
Yeah.